Good day from Minuteman Financial. I'm Tom Johnson, and folks, I want to share with you today on the topic of bankruptcy. And if you are at the point where you're screening your calls and you're getting those nasty letters, and you may even already have gotten a summons from an attorney, you're invited to come to court. Folks, if you're feeling that kind of pain, you need to take some action, and you need to take and get a resolution to it. The problem is not what you did today, it's the result of decisions you made before. And now you have not enough income to meet the demands of all of your creditors. And folks, I'm telling you, this is the point at which you need to make a decision. Bankruptcy you may have rejected in the past, but you better consider it now and address the problem. Bankruptcy is something that, if it's used correctly, can solve your problem. It will relieve the pain that you're feeling, the frustration, the sleepless nights. Bankruptcy is something that is provided, it's allowed, instead of debtor prisons. But you feel like you're in prison already. Bankruptcy may be the best solution for you. The benefits that will be derived from this, if you look at this and assess it and consider it carefully, are that you are going to take a major step towards restful sleep. You're going to improve the communication with your spouse. You are going to feel a peace about you that you haven't had. You're going to stop living in fear and trembling. And you're going to start moving towards financial freedom. Folks, I beg you to start to get educated and consider the options you have, one of which is bankruptcy. Now, I know it doesn't make any difference to you what I say, but it's important that you do listen to the testimonials, to people that we've been able to guide through this very critical trauma stage of their life. Listen to what they have to say. Listen to the benefits that they derived out of the decision to file bankruptcy.
We were living a very extravagant lifestyle several years ago. My husband was making over $100,000, and we thought that we were on top of the world. We were going out to fancy restaurants, going on expensive trips, and buying designer clothes. But we were also racking up credit card debt. We had around 4 to 5 credit cards, and we almost maxed them out. I was the one who was paying the bills, so I know how much was coming in and how much was going out. And I was really getting worried and getting frustrated and getting scared and hopeless. When we were at church seeking counseling for marital issues, I shared about our desperate financial situation. And that's when one of the elders recommended us to see Tom. When we first met Tom, we laid out what was going on in our lives, what our financial situation was. And with a kind, gentle spirit, he laid out a plan for us. I felt, as we were talking to Tom, that a thorn was being slowly pulled out from my heart. I felt a sense of relief. I felt a sense of hope, and that finally there's going to be deliverance from our financial crisis.
At the time when we first met Tom, I can't even tell you how many thousands of dollars in debt we were. I had never totaled it up until Tom asked me to. And I was in total shock. I had been in complete denial at that point, up to that point. My husband had no idea. Within a matter of just a couple of years, we were basically debt-free. All of our bills were being paid on time. Things were starting to change with my husband. He had a number of health issues. He became very ill. Spent 3 months in ICU before he finally passed away. I was able to take off those 3 months from work to spend with him because of what Tom had done for us. I was able to do a lot of things that I would not normally have been able to do had it not been for Tom. Getting our financial house in order meant that there was enough money there to fix the car if I needed to fix the car. Before, I would have had to put the new tires on a charge card, which would have brought more debt. There's been so many changes in my life between my husband and his now recently retired to take care of my father-in-law. I was able to do that at 65. I don't know if I would have been able to do that otherwise. I would probably be still working at 70. I'm very grateful to him for making this all possible.
Now that you've listened to the testimonials as to what can be achieved, I want to explain to you that we have developed a product for you, a video class on bankruptcy, the planning for it, the execution of it, and the recovery from it. It includes an interview with a bankruptcy attorney. You will find it extremely beneficial and give you peace of mind. And to help you feel better about that, today we're making a special offer for you that will provide not only the education class on bankruptcy, but we will provide the book that we have prepared that will be the companion to your finances and be extremely beneficial to you, that hundreds and hundreds of people have found beneficial. So right now, while you are in the state of mind to do it, take the action. Take the course. Your life will never be the same. Now, folks, I want you to understand, you have procrastinated, you have waited, you have rationalized. This offer won't be around forever, and your problems won't get any better. Take action and do it now. Thank you.
That's good enough.